car loans and bills. Put them all together, and they soon mount up. Then, before you know it, you've lost your financial freedom. But now you can get it back by wrapping up all your commitments into one low monthly repayment to First Plus. So, how does this work? Well, you could borrow the money you need at a low interest rate over a repayment period that suits you. All this could cut your monthly outgoings in half, giving you the freedom to get more from your life. If you're a homeowner, you can apply to First Plus right now on 0800 052 6000. Call now and join the thousands of First Plus customers who've already broken free. Isn't it time you did too? Call First Plus on 0800 052 6000.
Michael Owen?
Yeah?
The boys are waiting.
Now there's a special prize for collecting the most books for schools.
Can you sign this?
Is it for you?
For the lawyers.
The lawyers? They don't look like four-formers to me.
The schools which collect most tokens win a visit from a footballing hero. To do whatever they like.
Bye-bye, Michael. Bye-bye.
Keep collecting books for schools and win a footballing hero.
This is Sky Premiere.
This is my digital remote, which controls Sky Guide.
It helps me find my way around the world of digital television. For instance, if I'm watching a programme, but I want to know what's on the other channel.
Press this blue arrow button.
And it tells me what else is on, without changing channels.
And that's why people are switching to Sky Digital.
For more information or to get Sky Digital, call 0870 240 2000.
Family film with AOL.
Robin Williams is the absent-minded professor about to make science history.
It's flying rubber. It's flubber!
The groovy green goo in chaos-causing...
Wow, what a band.
Mayhem-making... action. Flubber, the Sunday family film, tonight at 7 on Sky Premiere.
Friends star Jennifer Aniston and Kevin Bacon team up now in a clever and charming romantic comedy. Picture perfect.